Percentage profit and percentage loss. In order to do the questions about the percentage profit or the percentage loss, we have to use some formulas. So first let me recall the formulas and then we will do some examples, right? So to get the profit from the sale price, you have to subtract the cost price. And to get the loss from the cost price, you have to subtract the sale price. And in order to solve the percentage profit, the profit value divide the cost price value times by 100. And for percentage loss, loss divided by the cost price times by 100, you will get the percentage loss. Okay, now we are going to use these formulas in some examples so that you can get a clear understanding about the percentage profit and the percentage loss topic. So basically these formulas are the key. If you know these formulas, you can easily solve any question related to percentage profit or loss. All right, let's do an example. Calculate the percentage profit of the following. So percentage profit, this formula, profit over the cost price times by 100. Okay. Now for part A, CP stands for the cost price and SP stands for the sale price, right? So CP, this is cost price basically. We use this abbreviation CP for cost price and SP for the sale price. All right. Let's start with part A. We need to solve for the percentage profit. So what is the formula for the percentage profit? Percentage profit, that is equals to profit. Profit means the sale price minus the cost price divides the cost price and multiply by 100. Okay. Profit, which is sale minus cost, divide by cost, multiply by 100. Okay. Now let's start with part A. Let me substitute everything. Now the sale price is $25. The cost price is $20. Divides $20 and multiplied by 100. From 25, if you take away 20, which is just 5, divides 20, multiply by 100. So simplify, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 4 is 20. And 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 2 is left 20. 5 times 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so that is just 25. So here we can say the percentage profit is 25%. All right, let's practice the second part B. Again, percentage profit, which is sale price minus cost price divides cost price multiply by 100. All right. Now for part B, the cost price is 400, the sale price is 500. Okay. So this is 500, take away 400, divides 400, multiply by 100. Okay, from 500, if you take away 400, it's just 100, divides 400, multiply by 100. Okay. Okay, let me cancel the zeros with the zeros, and here we are left with, sorry, 100 divided by 4. Simplified further, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 9, 10, 2 is left, 4 times 5 is 20. All right, so the answer for the percentage profit is 25%. Okay, let's practice part C. Again, write the formula for the percentage profit. That is the sale price minus cost price divide cost price multiply by 100. Okay, now for part C, what is the sale price and the cost price? Sale price is 10,800 and the cost price is 9,000. Okay, this is 10,800 minus 9,000 divides 9,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, from 10,800, if you take away 9,000, this is just 1,800 is left, divides 9,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, these two zeros goes with these two zeros, 1 0 with 1 0, right? 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, and 0, so it's 20%. So here we have the percentage profit for part C is just 20%. So now you can see, with the help of this formula you can easily figure out what is the percentage profit. So I did part A, B and C. The part D and the part E, these two parts are for your practice. You have to practice these two questions and you can send me your answers in the comment section, right? Okay, now let's do the examples with the percentage loss. All right, let's do an example with the percentage loss. Calculate the percentage loss of the following. So for percentage loss, we need to write down the percentage loss formula first. Percentage loss is basically loss over cost price multiplied by 100. Yes. Loss is cost price minus sale price. Divide cost price multiplied by 100. So this is cost price minus the sale price, divide cost price multiply by 100. Okay, now the percentage loss, this is the cost price for part A. The cost price is $60 minus the sale price is $54, divides the cost price is $60 and multiply by 100. Okay, from 60, if you take away 54, that is just 6 over 60 multiply by 100. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 10 is 60, and this 1 is cancelled with this 1. So this is just 10%. 1 times 10, and here we have 1. So the percentage loss is only 10% for part A. Okay. Now for same thing we have to do for part B, percentage loss. From the cost price, you have to take away the sale price and divide the cost price and times it by 100. Okay, let me move up. So the cost price is 45 and the sale price is 39.60. Okay, all right, this is 45 minus 39.60, divide 45 and times it by 100. All right, let me solve this. 45 take away 39.60. You can also do it manually. 5.4. So this is 5.4 over 45 multiplied by 100. I have already done the decimal subtraction. You can, if you do not get how to subtract the decimals, you can check the video and you will understand how do we subtract the decimals. Right now the decimal division, 5.4 divides 45, that is 0.12, 0.12 and times it by 100. So this is 12%. Yeah, it's 12%. So it's 12% for part B. Let me do the third part, C. The percentage loss, write down the formula, which is the sale price minus, the cost price minus the sale price over the cost price and times by 100. Okay, so for part C, the sale price is 50, the cost price is 50 and the sale price is 23. Okay, 50 and 23. So this is 50 take away 23 and divides 50 times by 100. From 50, if you take away 23, it's just 27 over 50 and times by 100. 0 goes with this 0. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, and 27 times by 2, this much percent, okay? Let me do 27 times by 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 and 4. 2 times 2 is 4 and 5. So this is 54% is the percentage loss for part C. So now you can understand how do we solve the percentage profit and the percentage loss with the help of these four formulas. The percentage profit and loss is really easy, right? You need to remember the profit, percentage profit, percentage loss, these two formulas, and you can easily do any questions related to percentage profit or loss. Let's practice another example. A car dealer buys a car for $500 and then sell it for $640. Find the percentage profit. For percentage profit, just write down the formula for the percentage profit. That is the sale price minus the cost price divides cost price multiply by 100. That is a formula for the percentage profit, right? Now plug everything into the formula. The sale price, he sells it for 640, so 640 is the sale price, and he buys it, the buying price or the cost of buying the car is $500. Divide by 500 and then times by 100, right? Okay, from 640, if you take away 500, 140 is left. Divides 500 and multiply by 100. Okay, cancel the two zeros with the two zeros. 140 over 5 is left, right? So 140 divided by 5. Let me simplify it. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, and 45 times 8 is 40. So that is just 28%. So 28% is the profit percent, right? That a car dealer, when he buys a car for 500 and then he sells it for 640, so he will get 28% profit. Let's practice another question. A damaged carpet which cost $180. This is a cost price of the carpet when new is sold for $100. So $100 is the sale price. Find the percentage loss. For percentage loss, let me write down the formula for the percentage loss is cost price minus sale price divide cost price multiply by 100, right? And for percentage profit, first sale and then minus cost, right? Okay, now let me substitute everything. So the cost price is $180 and the sale price is $100, and divided by $180 is the cost price times by 100. From 180, if you take away 100, just 80 is left. Divides 180 equals to 100. This 0 goes with this 0, right? So we have 8 over 18 multiplied by 100. Sorry, this is a multiplication sign here. Okay, so 8 times 100 is 800 divides 18. Okay, let me simplify. 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 4 is 8, and double 0. Okay, so 400 over 9, or if you can divide it by 400 inside, 9 is outside. 9 times table, 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract 4 is left 0. 9 times 4 is again 36. Subtract 4 is left a decimal, a 0, a decimal, bring the 0 down again 4 times. 9 times 4 is 36. When you subtract 4 is the remainder, again a 0, bring that 0 down. 9 times 4 is 36, and so on. So this is 4 recurring basically. So the percentage loss in this case is 44.4 recurring percent. This percent is the this much is a percentage loss. Okay, so I hope you understand how to figure out the percentage profit and the percentage loss. We did so many examples. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.